Magdeburg is the capital city of the federal state of Saxony-Anhalt in Germany and is located on the Elbe River. The city has a history that dates back over 1,200 years, making it one of the oldest cities in Germany. Magdeburg was founded in 805 AD by Emperor Charlemagne, who established a royal palace there. The city became an important center of trade and commerce in the Middle Ages due to its strategic location along the Elbe River. Magdeburg was a member of the Hanseatic League, a powerful alliance of trading cities in Northern Europe during the 14th to 17th centuries. The Magdeburg Cathedral, officially known as the Cathedral of Saints Maurice and Catherine, is the tallest church in the region and boasts stunning Gothic architecture. The cathedral was constructed over 800 years, starting in 1209, and is known for its impressive twin towers. Magdeburg is home to the famous Magdeburg hemispheres, which are a historical demonstration of the power of atmospheric pressure. The hemispheres were first demonstrated in 1654 by Otto von Guericke, who showcased their strength by creating a vacuum between them. Otto von Guericke, a scientist and mayor of Magdeburg, is known for his contributions to the study of vacuum and pressure. The city played a significant role during the Protestant Reformation, being the site of the first Protestant church in Germany. Magdeburg was heavily damaged during World War II, with around 90% of the city destroyed by air raids. Reconstruction efforts after the war led to the restoration of many historical buildings, including the cathedral and city hall. The city is known for its extensive green spaces and parks, including the Elbauen Park, which features beautiful gardens and recreational areas. Magdeburg is also home to several museums, including the Cultural History Museum, which showcases the city's rich heritage. The city is known for its vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural events throughout the year. The Magdeburg Water Bridge, completed in 2003, is the longest navigable aqueduct in the world, connecting the Elbe-Havel Canal with the Mittelland Canal. The bridge is an engineering marvel, allowing ships to cross over land without having to navigate through locks. Magdeburg has a population of approximately 240,000 people, making it one of the larger cities in eastern Germany. The city has a diverse economy, with key industries including manufacturing, logistics, and information technology. Magdeburg is home to several universities and research institutions, including Otto von Guericke University, which focuses on engineering and natural sciences. The city hosts an annual Christmas market, attracting visitors with its festive atmosphere and traditional crafts. Magdeburg's Old Market Square is a historical site featuring beautiful buildings, including the Town Hall and the Church of Our Lady. The city has a rich musical heritage, with several festivals dedicated to jazz, classical, and contemporary music. Magdeburg is known for its unique local cuisine, which includes dishes like Stendeler pudding and Magdeburger Mahl, a type of beer. The Elbe River offers opportunities for various water sports, including sailing, kayaking, and fishing. The city is home to several theaters, including the Magdeburg Theater, which produces a wide range of performances from opera to drama. Magdeburg is well connected to other major cities in Germany through an extensive public transportation network, including trams and trains. The city hosts the Magdeburg Marathon, attracting runners from all over the world. The annual Magdeburg Carnival features colorful parades and celebrations, showcasing the city's lively culture. The historic Grün Citadel, or Green Citadel, designed by the famous artist Friedensreich Hundertwasser, is a unique architectural landmark in the city. Magdeburg has a strong sports culture, with several local football clubs and facilities for various sports. The city is surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes, including the Elbe River Valley and the nearby Harz Mountains. Magdeburg has a number of significant parks and gardens, providing residents and visitors with peaceful outdoor spaces. The city is known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere, making it an attractive destination for tourists. Magdeburg is a hub for innovation, with a growing startup scene and support for entrepreneurs. The city has a rich literary history, having been home to several notable writers and poets throughout the centuries. Magdeburg has hosted several international conferences and events, further establishing its reputation as a center for dialogue and collaboration. The city's location in central Germany makes it a convenient base for exploring other regions of the country. Magdeburg's history is marked by resilience, having rebuilt itself multiple times after wars and disasters. The city celebrates its annual Magdeburg City Festival, featuring live music, food stalls, and cultural exhibits. Magdeburg's historical significance is recognized by UNESCO, which has designated several sites as World Heritage. The city's vibrant nightlife includes numerous bars, clubs, and music venues, offering entertainment for all tastes. Magdeburg's architecture is a mix of Gothic, Renaissance, and modern styles, reflecting its diverse history. The city has a variety of cultural institutions, including the Magdeburg State Orchestra and the Magdeburg Art Museum. Magdeburg was the birthplace of several influential figures in science and politics, contributing to its intellectual legacy. The city's annual Science Night invites the public to explore local research institutions and learn about ongoing projects. Magdeburg has a strong commitment to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green energy.